How does a piezoelectric actuator mechanism work?
Hello and welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of piezoelectric actuators. In this video, we'll be breaking down how these intricate devices work and the role they play in modern technology. Piezoelectric actuators are devices that use the piezoelectric effect to control small movements in a variety of applications.
What is the piezoelectric effect?
The word piezoelectric derives from the Greek words piezo, which means to squeeze or press, and electron, which means amber, an ancient source of electric charge. The piezoelectric effect is the ability of certain materials to generate an electric charge in response to applied mechanical stress. This phenomenon was first discovered by the Curie brothers in 1880.
How does a piezoelectric actuator work?
Piezoelectric actuators leverage the piezoelectric effect in reverse. When an electric voltage is applied to a piezoelectric material, it changes shape, creating a mechanical displacement. This displacement can be incredibly small, often in the range of nanometers, but can occur with extreme precision and speed. Let's break it down. 1. Electrical input. The process begins when an electrical voltage is applied to the piezoelectric material. 2. Physical change. This electrical input causes the piezoelectric material to change shape or deform. This change in shape is directly proportional to the applied voltage. 3. Mechanical output. The mechanical displacement resulting from this deformation is the actuator's output. It can be harnessed to do work, such as move a load or apply a force.
Where are piezoelectric actuators used?
Due to their high precision and quick response, piezoelectric actuators are used in a variety of applications, including precision machining, active vibration control, and micro-positioning. They're also found in everyday items like inkjet printers and diesel fuel injectors. In conclusion, piezoelectric actuators harness the power of the piezoelectric effect to provide highly precise, fast, and controlled movements. From micro-robotics to precision machining, these small but mighty devices play a crucial role in our technology-driven world. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of how a piezoelectric actuator mechanism works. Thanks for watching.